Hello. Physics question. This is also the motion and raindrop. Raindrop Raindrops make an angle theta with the vertical when the train is stationary, seen by the through the window. If the train speeds up, what is the speed of the raindrop relative to the Earth? So we can see this one. This is a raindrop velocity. So we can say V raindrop, so relative to ground, and this is the speed of the train. So V train relative to the ground, and this is the uh, speed of the rain relative to the terrain. So this is rain relative to ground, this is a train, and this is the V rain relative to the train. So this one, this V R rain, and this is a negative. If it is, it should be like this one, this vector 1, vector 2, and this is vector 3, this one. So VR minus VT, this one, that will be equal to this one V rain relative to the train. So this is relative to the ground. This is a train relative to the ground, and this is a relative rain relative to the terrain. So V rain will be equal to V terrain plus V rain relative to the train. So this will be the, but we can also find from this is the angle. So this tangent of theta, which is equal to V terrain over V rain. So this is the formula. From here, we can find out the V rain is equal to V train into tangent of theta. So by the angle and train, we can find out this value. So this will be relative to the train speed. So this is the answer. So if it is moving like this one, so it will be tilted in this way. They will be pushed toward like this one. If it is moving, so like this one, so the train is moving this one, and if not, then stationary is like this one. So the moving this, stationary this. So V train time tangent theta. So this is the answer.